guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Zara, Abigail. Today I'm going to teach you how to journal. Okay, you need some scissors, a pen, black pen and a white pen. Then you need a sketch pen, a highlighter and a pencil with an eraser. Then you need a lot of stickers and maybe a stapler. Now, I also have a binder. You can use other notebook, but now I'm going to be using a binder. And in this binder, there are cutouts which I'm going to be using. First of all, let's take the page. Now, I'm going to use these stickers which are puffy. I'm gonna be using a butterfly sticker and then this flower sticker, then this pink flower sticker, and then now I'm gonna be using these pastel circle stickers. This light purple one. And then I'm going to be using these sticky notes. I'm going to be taking this pen and then I'm going to be adding it like a cloud. Now I'm going to be using the highlighter and then I'm going to be drawing a line, straight one, like this for the writing. And I'm going to be using this stickers. I'm going to be using this marshmallow sticker. And then I'm going to be using more of the puppy stickers and I'm going to be using the bubbles. I'm going to do the same exact thing here and then I'm going to be using the black pen instead. Here I'm going to do something different. I'm going to be using a border which is covered with hearts. Let me finish this for a second. Okay, now I'm going to be using the highlighter again. And now I'm going to be doing one line. I'm going to be coloring the hearts. Now we are done. Now I'm going to use these stickers again, but I'm going to use a macaron one this time. I'm going to stick it right over here above the marshmallow one. And here I'm going to be using the sketch pen. Here I'm going to add some stars with the pink highlighter, like this. And then we go down where you can add so many stickers that you like. I'm going to be using the puppy stickers again because I really like them, and I'm going to be using a lot of stickers this time so that the page can be covered like this. And I'm also going to be using many tiny stickers here as well so that the page can be covered. Okay, done. Now I'm going to be using this big puffy sticker, and that's all. We are done over here. This is our journaling page with stickers and more. You can write here and there, and you can also draw on the stickers on top. And this is the end of the video. I hope you will like this video. You can try this at home. Please send your feedback in the comments.